class. Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed level 1 problems. Today I am going to discuss level 2 problems. Read the first question, what they are given. The geometric mean of 10 observations on a certain variable was calculated as 16.2. It was later discovered that one of the observations was wrongly recorded as 12.9. In fact, it was 21.9. The correct geometric mean is here, geometric mean already given. Geometric mean already given. Actually, what is geometric mean formula? There are n observations, x1 into, x2 into, x3 into, and so on, xn whole power 1 by n. This is the formula actually. Here, how many geometric means given? 10 observations. And total geometric mean already given 16 point. One of the observation is wrongly recorded as 12.9. Now we can correct it, 21.9. Now see, geometric mean is 16.2 given right here. 16.2 is the geometric mean. This is equal to 10 observations. That means x1, x2, x3, and so on, x10 whole power n means what? N is equal to 10 or not? Right. Now, how to do this? One of the observation was wrongly copied. See, it was later discovered that one of the observations was wrongly recorded as 12.9. In fact, it was 21.9. Actually, it is 21.9, but wrongly they are copied. See, 1 by 10, send left hand side, it is going to 16.2 whole power 10. That is equal to x1, x2, and so on, x9. The 10th observation is 12.9 because one of the observation clearly given here. Actually, this is wrong observation. But how to do now? x1, x2, x3, and so on, x9. So we want to remove that 12.9. That means dividing on both sides 12.9, then only it is going to eliminate. Yes or no? By 10. So not 10, 12.9. 12.9. Now students see 12.9, 12.9 cancel. Next, here product of 9 observations, x1 into, x2 into, and so on, x9, that value should be 16.2 whole power 10 divided by 12.9. Now I am going to find new geometric mean. New geometric mean of 10 observations. This is x1, x2, and so on, x9. The new number is here 21.9 whole power 1 by 10. Product of 9 observations already we got now. Substitute that 16.2 whole power 10 divided by 12.9 into, what is the new number? 21.9 whole power 1 by 10. This is the answer, new geometric mean. Okay, students. So which option correct? Please identify that. So I am expecting that second option is correct. Once verify the answer, second option correct. N cube, sorry, first, second, fourth option correct. 2n cube plus 8n square plus 7n minus 2. Here, arithmetic mean of the observation. This is a formula. Once again, I am explaining. This is the formula. Apply here. Sum of observations. Multiply those and you will get like this. Sigma n cube, sigma n square, sigma n. Those formulas already you know very well. Apply the formula. Here, each and every term, observe that n is there common, take common, and denominator n is going to cancel. Remaining, just a calculation. Simplify that, you will get answer. That answer should be 2n cube plus 8n square plus 7n minus 2. Okay. The mean marks got by 300 students in the subject of statistics. Total 300 students. Subject of statistics was 45. The mean of the top 100 of them was found to be 70. That means here N1 100 members. What is the mean of that 100%? That means X1 bar, that value should be 70. 70. And the mean of last 100 was known to be 20. So that means N2, that is equal to 100. Here X2 bar, that is equal to 20. The mean of remaining 100 students, N3, that is equal to 100, X3 bar. These value they didn't given. So we need to find. But total number of students, how much given? N1 plus, N2 plus, N3, that is equal to 300. Now combined mean, that is X bar, how much given? 45. So we need to find X3 bar. How to find, students, tell me? What is the formula? Weighted mean, weighted arithmetic mean. What is the formula? X bar is equal to N1 X1 bar plus N2 X2 bar plus N3 X3 bar divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. This is the formula now. Now substitute the values. X bar means total mean, combined mean 45. N1 into X1, how much? 100 into 70 plus 100 into 20 plus 100 into X3 bar. This is we need to find. Go to the denominator. N1 plus N2 plus N3 means 300 or not. Numerator take 100 common and denominator 300 is 2 zeros is cancelled or not? 2 zeros cancelled or not? Now take cross multiplication. 3 into 45. 3 5s are 15. 12, 135. That is equal to 70 plus 20 plus X3 bar. Finally, students, tell me what is x3 bar? 70 plus 20, 90. 90 send left hand side. 135 minus 90, that is 45. This is the remaining 100 students, mean of the remaining 100 students. First option correct. The average marks of boys in a class is 52 and that of girls is 42. Average marks means what? Mean only now. So take here x1 bar is equal to 52. Next, x2 bar. x1 means think that boys, x2 means girls. Okay, x2 bar is equal to 42. The average marks of boys and girls combined is, that means x bar, that is equal to 50. The percentage of boys in the class. The percentage of boys in the class. So here, how many number of boys are there? How many number of girls are there? They didn't give it. Okay. Now, let N1 means what? Boys. N2 means what? Girls. Girls. Now write the formula. What is that? X bar is equal to N1 into X bar. B into 52 plus N2 into X2 bar. G into 42 divided by B plus G. B plus G. So what is X bar? 50. 50 into, take cross multiplication, B plus G, that is equal to B. So I am writing like this, 52B, 52 boys. Okay. Next, 42 girls. We need to find the ratio of these two and find the percentage of boys in the class. Okay. So here 50 boys plus 50 girls. G means girls. I am pronouncing like that. Okay. 42G. So 42G send left hand side. 50 minus 42, 8G. 50B send right hand side, 2B. Now 4G is equal to B. G by B, that is 1 by 4. Girls ratio boys, that is 1:4. 1:4. What they are asking? The percentage of boys in the class. Boys. Percentage means here. Boys, see here. Boys 4. Total 5. But we need percentage means multiply with 100. Yes or no? So what is the answer now? 80. 5 20s are 100. 2 into 40, 80. The percentage of boys. The percentage of boys in the class. That is equal to 80%. Same as the percentage of girls. Tell me. In the class, 20%. Okay, students, are you understood? This model also very important in mains. Mean of n items is x bar. If these n items are successfully increased by 2, 2 square, 2 cube, and so on, 2 power n, then new mean is. So actually, new mean x bar, that is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by n into x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on xn. This is the main formula, sum of n observations. But we need to find a new mean. New mean. But each observation is increased by like this 2, 2 square, 2 cube, and so on, 2 power n. But the number of observations cannot be changed. Yes or no? 1 by n into x1 plus first observation is increased by 2 plus second observation is increased by 2 square plus and so on and so on. The last observation is increased by how much? 2 power n. Now here we need to find mean. But 1 by n is the common. See here, first I am writing x1 terms, first terms, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on, xn. These are the first terms. Second terms, see how to write second terms, 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube and so on, 2 power n. Okay. So if you are observe here, these term value already we know that is x bar plus 1 by n into, this is observed students, GP series or not. In the GP series, what is the first term? A value is 2. Common ratio is 2. 2 is greater than 1 or not? What is sum of n terms in GP series? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. But how many number of terms are there here? 2 power 1, 2 square up to 2 power, only n terms. Apply this formula here. A means 2 into 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Here do the small simplification. We get the answer x bar plus 2 minus 1 means that is 1. Then 2 into 2 power n, that is 2 power n plus 1 divided by n. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 divided by n. Just a calculation. See which option correct? Second option correct. See the next problem. The frequency distribution of discrete data given below. Frequency x against value 0 is missing. Here this x value is missing. And the mean is 2.5 given. Then missing frequency x will be in discrete frequency distribution. What is the mean formula, students? X bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. This is the formula now. Mean already given. How much? That is 2.5. That is equal to, numerator observe that, multiply the variable and frequency and add 0 into x 0, 1 into 20 20, 2 into 40 80, 3 into 40 120, 4 into 20 80, 5 fours are 24 divided by denominator. See that sum of the frequencies. So 20 plus 40 plus 40 up to here 100, 124. So this is x plus 124. Take cross multiplication. 2.5 into x plus 124, that is equal to Numerator 20 into 80, 100, 220, 300, 324. 324. Then x plus 124, how much? X plus 124. Instead of 24, 20. Yes, yes. This is not 24, this is 20. That means here we get 320. Sorry, these two multiplied means we get 20. 320 divided by 2.5. 2.5 means 320 divided by 2.5. Tell me approximately how much? Students, tell me. 320 divided by 2.5. That value should be 128. 128. Now, what is x? 128 minus 124. That value should be 4. X is equal to 4. Fourth option correct.